So because your large drawing pads are so large, you can actually determine your own composition if you would like to by making the drawing surface a little bit smaller. And the only way you'd want to do this would be to trace something else that is rectangular with similar dimensions. So I would do that here by just tracing it. You can use a pencil. I'm doing it in a Conte crayon so that it shows up a little darker on the screen, but there you have a smaller drawing surface. So I would consider this where I would make my drawing. That would be sort of my paper. The white around it is just like a border. So if you're overwhelmed at the size of your drawing pad, feel free to reduce it by tracing something rectangular in the center of it. And that something can be, a drawing pad, a book, a piece of loose leaf paper, although it's hard to trace things that are very thin. So something with a little thickness is better.